Welcome guys, this is one of the best strategy you can use on volatility 10 index. So on my screen now you can see that I am on trade. I am on volatility 10 index. Time frame is 15 minutes time frame. So you can see the trades are running. You can see the trades are running. I am on buy volatility 10 index. I am on buy buying volatility 10 index. So the question is, why am I buying volatility 10 index? Why am I on buy? Do you understand? Why am I on buy on volatility 10 index? So this is the reason I am on buy on volatility 10 index. So here is my chart. As you can see, this is a live trade. This is what a live trade. You can see the market is still reading. Do you understand? So the question is, why am I on buy? Why am I buying volatility 10 index? So this is the reason. You need only one indicator. You need what? Only one indicator to make a successful trade. Only one indicator need. Now, this is one of my best strategies. Do you understand? This is one of my best strategies. So I'm revealing it now. Pay attention. This is how to set up the indicator. Only one indicator. You need what? Only one indicator. And the indicator is Williams range, Williams percent range. Do you understand? Williams percent range, that's the only indicator you need to do what? To make massive profit this way. Now, I will show you how to set up the Williams percent indicator. I will show you how to set up the Williams percent indicator. So this is my chart. So first of all, let me delete this. I will delete this particular settings so that I will do it afresh. Do you understand? So let me delete this. I delete it. So this is a normal chart. Now let me insert the Williams percent indicator. Let me insert it so that you will know how to do what? Insert the indicator. So the first thing is for you. The first thing is for you to go to function. So you click here. Now locate Williams percent indicator. Now here is Williams percent indicator. Here is what? Williams percent indicator. So this is the only indicator you need to make massive profit on volatility 10. So you click on this. So here are what the settings. Here are what the settings. Do you understand? So the period is 20. Do you understand? The period is 20. Then here is the style. Here is what? The style. Now the next thing is what? The level. Now you click on the level, and from here this is 50. You put 50 here. That is minus 50. Do you understand? Minus 50. So once you are done setting up the Williams percent range in this way, you hit done. Do you understand? Go back to chart. So this is our chart. Do you understand? You can see that the market is still reading. The market is still what? Reading. Volatility 10 index. So why am I on buy? Why am I buying volatility 10 index? That is the question. Why am I buying volatility 10 index? So this is it. See this mark line. See this minus 50 we set up. See this minus 50 here. This minus 50 line here. Do you understand? So once this Williams percent indicator crosses this 50 mark line. Look at this crossing here. Have you seen it? So once the crossing occur here, that is what? That is a buy position. That is what? Buy position. Now I was on sale here. I was on sale here when the WPR crosses this. I sold here. So right now it crosses here, so I am on buy. Do you understand? So this is it. This is it. So I am on buy because it crosses this mark line. It crosses this mark line from, look at it. Look at the crossing here. Are you seeing it? From down upward. So here is the, once it crosses this way, here is sell, but here is what? Here is buy because it crosses upward. Do you understand? So that reason why I am on buy on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? So this is only the strategy you need to trade volatility 10 index and make massive profits. Do you understand? So this is the reason why I am on buy on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? Because of the crossing. Because of what? Because of this crossing. You are seeing the crossing here. Look at the crossing here. So that is the reason why I am on buy. Do you understand? So from this side, look at it. Look at it here. From this point here, once it crosses, you will buy here. You need to buy here. Look at it. You need to buy here. So if you buy there, this is what? Massive profit. Are you seeing it? So once it's here, once it crosses here, you need to sell. Look at the crossing here from up downward. Look at the where it crosses the 50 line mark. This 50 line mark here. So you need to sell here. You need to sell here. So this is a profit for you. So currently now it crosses here upward. So the reason why I am on buy. This is why I am on buy. Do you understand? This is the reason why I am buying volatility 10 index. Look at the crossing here. Are you seeing the crossing here? So my entry is here. Are you seeing it? So this is my profit now. Are you seeing it? So the reason why I am on buy on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? So this is Optima FX. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. That is it. So as you can see, the market is still reading. The market is still what? Going up. The market is still what? Going up. Are you seeing it? The market is still what? Going up. Are you seeing it? That is it. So with this strategy, you are sure to make massive profit. Do you understand? This particular strategy pays very, very well. Do you understand? So this is Optima FX. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.